Hey everyone, welcome back to Turbo Trendz TVA where horsepower meets the heartbeat. Today, we've got something seriously tough, bold, and built to dominate any terrain you throw at it. It's the all-new 2026 Toyota Tundra. If you're into full-size trucks that mix rugged strength with modern tech, this one's going to grab your attention and never let go. So buckle up and let's dig into everything this beast has to offer. Exterior first impressions. Motor and the 2026 Tundra makes one hell of a statement. Starting at the front, Toyota has gone aggressive without going over the top. The grille is massive and bold, but with more refinement than in previous generations. It still says truck with authority, but now there's a sense of premium detailing, especially with the platinum and capstone trims, where you get a dark chrome or satin metallic finish. The LED headlights are slimmer, more angular, and stretch outward like a blade across the fenders, integrating seamlessly with vertical LED daytime running lights. Functional air vents and improved aerodynamics are baked right into the front fascia, and the hood has been reshaped with sharp creases that give it a muscular, sculpted look. It's not just about style, it's about presence. Move to the side and you'll notice the proportions are perfectly balanced for a full-size truck. The 2026 model rides on a refined version of Toyota's TNGAF platform, which underpins their larger SUVs and trucks. The side profile is beefy but sleek, thanks to pronounced fender flares and cleaner lines. There are multiple wheel options ranging from 18 to 22 inches. Depending on the trim. The capstone trim, in particular, stands out with chrome accents along the mirror caps, door handles, and window surrounds, giving it a luxury edge. But don't worry, off-road trims like the TRD Pro keep things rugged with blacked-out finishes, skid plates, and all-terrain tires. You also get power-deploying running boards, which drop down when the door opens, giving you easier access to the cabin. Swing around to the rear and the Tundra keeps the aggressive energy flowing. The LED tail lights are redesigned with a C-shaped motif, wrapping into the bed sides, and the tailgate features bold Tundra lettering stamped right into the metal. On higher trims, the tailgate even has soft open and close functions, plus an optional power tailgate release from the key fob or interior button. Toyota has improved the bed options too. You can choose between 5.5 foot, 6.5 foot, or 8.1 foot beds, and they're all made from a composite material that's dent-resistant, rust-proof, and stronger than traditional steel. Practicality meets toughness, and it shows in every corner of this truck. Interior. Step inside, and it's clear the 2026 Tundra isn't just about muscle-y, it's about refinement. The cabin is a dramatic upgrade over the previous generation. You're immediately greeted by a massive 14-inch infotainment touchscreen, standard on most trims, with an optional 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. It's intuitive, responsive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's even an available heads-up display for the driver, projecting key info right onto the windshield. Material quality is top-notch, especially in the limited, platinum, and capstone trims, where you'll find real wood, leather-wrapped surfaces, and ambient lighting. The seats are wide, supportive, and available with heating, ventilation, and even massage functions depending on the trim. There's loads of storage everywhere, from the dual glove boxes to the underseat bins and deep center console. Rear passengers aren't forgotten either. The crew cab models offer generous legroom, reclining rear seats, and available rear climate controls. Whether you're hauling gear or passengers, the interior is tailored for comfort and utility. Performance. Under the hood, Toyota offers a powertrain lineup that blends strength with efficiency. The base engine is a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 making 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, paired with the 10-speed automatic transmission. But if you want more, the iForce Max Hybrid is where it's at. This setup cranks out a whopping 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. It's the same engine found in the Sequoia and delivers instant torque off the line, smoother towing, and better fuel economy. You can feel the difference when you're accelerating or pulling a trailer uphill. The towing capacity maxes out at around 12,000 pounds, depending on your configuration, and payload tops out just under £2,000. That puts it right in line with rivals like the Ford F-150 and Ram 1500. You can also opt for rear-wheel or four-wheel drive, and the off-road focused trims include features like crawl control, terrain modes, upgraded suspension, and skid plates. On road, the ride is remarkably composed. The rear coil spring suspension is standard on all trims, so delivers a more SUV-like feel, and with adaptive dampers available, the Tundra strikes a nice balance between comfort and control. Whether you're tackling trails or cruising highways, it feels stable, planted, and confident. Let's talk pricing. The 2026 Tundra starts around $42,000 for the Bass Senior trim with rear-wheel drive and minimal options. Move up to the SR5, and you're in the $47,000 ballpark. The Limited pushes into the $55,000 range with more tech and creature comforts. If you're aiming for luxury, the Platinum and 1794 edition trims come in around $62,000 to $66,000, offering nearly everything Toyota can pack into a pickup. At the top, the Capstone starts just north of $75,000, with the hybrid iForce Max powertrain, premium materials, and all the bells and whistles. The off-road-ready TRD Pro sits close to that same mark, giving you extreme trail capability with a bold presence. Optional packages like towing upgrades, panoramic roof, surround view camera, and the JBL premium audio system can quickly add up, so it's easy to spec one into the $80,000 zone if you're going all in. But you're getting a full-sized truck that's ready for anything and built to last. So what's the final verdict? The 2026 Toyota Tundra isn't just a refresh, it's a full-on evolution. It combines the durability and reputation Toyota is known for with the tech, power, and style modern truck buyers demand. Whether you're a weekend warrior, daily commuter, or hardcore hauler, the Tundra has a configuration that fits your life. It's brawny but sophisticated, powerful yet efficient, and tough without sacrificing comfort. From the bold exterior to the luxurious and tech-filled cabin, from strong towing numbers to hybrid efficiency, it's clear that Toyota is aiming directly at the top of the full-size truck segment. If you've been sleeping on the Tundra before, now's the time to wake up. This truck means business, and with the variety of trims, features, and capabilities, there's a Tundra out there for just about everyone. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2026 Toyota Tundra. If you like this review, smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Turbo Trendz TV for more honest and detailed car and truck reviews just like this. We've got more amazing content coming your way, so stay tuned, and until next time, keep it locked, keep it loud, and drive with purpose.